this video, you will see an example of how to find the series sum of a geometric sequence up to a specific number of terms. So for sums, again, we are adding up all of the elements of a sequence from the first term to a given number of terms. In this case, we are looking for the sum of the first 6 terms and then the sum of the first 9 terms. In a geometric sequence, our formula is Sn equals a1 times 1 minus r to the n power all over 1 minus r. So we just need our first term. We need to know what our sum is going to be up to, and we need to know the common ratio. So we are given our first term right here, a1 value. We are given our common ratio, our r value right there. So we are ready to go ahead and plug those into the formula as needed. So first one we're looking for is the 6th term in the sequence. Not the 6th term, but the sum of the first 6 terms. So my a1 value is 3, 1 minus 3, my n value is 6 because we're looking for the first, for the sum of the first 6 terms, 1 minus r, again 1 minus 3. So I will be employing my use of my calculator. I'm using my phone calculator just to make it a little easier to record what we're doing here. So I'm doing my exponent first. 3 to the 6th power is 729. So my next level of this, 3 times 1 minus 729. I can do my denominator. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. As I continue this, 1 minus 729 is negative 728. So I have 3 times negative 728, all divided by negative 2. (728) times 3, or negative 728 times 3 equals negative 2,184. And when I divide that by negative 2 rather, I get 1,092 as the sum of my first 6 terms in this specific geometric sequence. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up in my answer, 1,092. So now I'm going to do this with the first 9 terms of this sequence. I'm going to add them all up. So follow my formula. This time I'm going the sum of the first nine terms equals a1, which is 3, times 1 minus 3, this time to the 9th power, because my n value has changed, all divided by 1 minus 3. So this time I would like to do 3 to the 9th power. So 3 times 1 minus 3 to the 9th power. I do know it's going to be negative 2. When I do 3 to the 9th power, 3 to the 9th power, I get 19,683. I'm going to do the subtraction. 1 minus 19,683 is negative 19,682. I'm going to multiply that by 3. And I will get negative 59,046. When I divide that by negative 2, my sum of the first 9 terms of this geometric sequence is 29,523. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in my answer here, 29,523, and there you have it, your example for using the geometric series formula to find the sum of a given number of terms within that series starting from the first term.